Want to master reading just by watching one video? Keep watching.
Shut up and sit down.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel for yet another video. If you're new here, my name is Javohir, and in this video, reading portion of the IELTS test is going to be on our target. Well, I want to start this video by busting a popular myth that is spread by some IELTS gurus. Only read magazines and official passages. Again, it is wrong to assume that reading skills can be improved only by using specific types of materials. No, I can prove my point through personal experience. In the late summer of 2019, I kind of set up a mock test for myself. Did the full listening test and the reading test, and I managed to get 7 from both of them. Thank you. Thank you. Then, after around 2 years, I did another full test. And guess what I got? 9! I'm being honest with you. I got 39 questions right out of 40. It was Cambridge. Maybe it was easier than average. But still, do you see the change? During these 2 years, I haven't done any kind of practice tests or read any kind of magazines. I was stupid not being into magazines. But I spent hours reading these textbooks and bunch of other books that are totally unrelated to IELTS. I'm not tired of repeating that IELTS is all about your general skills. Any reading is good. Any reading will help you to improve. You shouldn't be tied up to a prejudice that you have to read magazines or official passages only. Just read something you're interested in. I don't care, just read. However, I warn you that this tip won't work if you have no idea about IELTS reading yet. I mean, before scoring 7 in 2019, I studied IELTS for 6 months. I learned ways of approaching different questions, tips and methods. I did, but I saw an enormous change only when I did a tremendous amount of work on improving my general reading comprehension. Now it was much easier to solve the test because I could understand what I'm reading. Having said that, it doesn't matter what you read, I strongly advise you to read magazines. Don't shout at me, I've got my reasons. Besides improving your reading skills, they will help you tremendously in the writing portion of the IELTS test. I can't go deep into how they can help you in writing because, come on, it's IELTS reading guide. However, I do want to share a method that I used for reading magazines. It involves 3 steps. In the first step, you read magazine like a newspaper, not caring about the words you don't know, not caring about the parts you don't understand. Just try to guess the meaning of unknown words. Do your own interpretation of text. In the second step, get a dictionary. Read and highlight the words you don't know, looking up for the meaning at the same time and trying to remember it. In the third step, read the text again without the dictionary and try to remember the meaning of the words you highlighted. If you try really hard and you still can't remember the meaning of the word, don't worry. Use a dictionary. Repeat this third step until you fully understand the meaning of the text without using dictionary. This method is very powerful if you do it consistently. Maybe you won't see the impact immediately, but after doing it over and over again, you'll be amazed with the results. My personal favorite is The Economist because it touches many aspects of life, starting from politics and ending with arts. Others that I love are New Sciences and The New Yorker. Just choose the one that fits your interest. If you happen to have a problem with concentrating, please pause this video, click on the card and watch the part of my previous video where I went in depth into the problem of focusing, and then come back. I'm gonna make myself coffee in the meantime. Done watching? Cool. Now let's move on to specific ones. The first one is on how to read the passages. Well, you should read the passage as if it was a text from your crush. Just imagine, your crush texted you. How would you read that? You will be attentive to every dot and comma of the message. Of course, reading passage is not written by your crush and it's difficult to develop feelings towards it. However, it is up to you on how you perceive the information. If you read the text with curiosity and enthusiasm, you are more likely to understand it. While reading the passages, do it with interest and intention of gaining a knowledge. That way, you are more likely to understand the text better, and better understanding leads to better results. The second powerful tip is mapping. I advise you to do it before starting reading the passage. Just glance at all paragraphs. Look at dates, terms, people, places. Your goal is to get to know what is where located. Then go to questions. Read and understand all of them. Afterwards, you can go back to text and start your quest for answers. The third one is KISS. Not direct. It's an abbreviation. Keep it simple, stupid. The problem in reading is that we humans tend to overthink everything. I do too. Always. However, if you keep everything simple, you'll become a better reader. Because questions are based on the text. There is nothing worse than linking two different parts of the text, mixing them up, producing a new information, and answering the question based on that new information. Please don't do my mistakes. Just give a shot to the tips and methods that I gave you in this video. I'm gonna be very delighted if they help you in somehow way in your IELTS journey. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. Bye, until next videos. See ya. Are you still here? Hello legends! Thanks for staying. As it's a video about reading, I just wanted to share some of the books that I'm currently reading. Well, the first one is Frankenstein, and I heard about this book like a long time ago. Like some of my friends talked about this, like a crazy man made a robot, and then they were talking about spirits, religions, and points of views, and I thought that it's kind of, they said to me like it was kind of a philosophical book. I'm still reading it, but I don't think that I'm really getting it because like I just follow the timeline of the story and not really getting into what the meaning is behind the stories. But I hope that someday I will definitely find the meaning, the true meaning of this story, and then share it with you. The name of the second book is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, and it's written by an amazing author, Stephen Covey. And this book is just like a game changer in my life. Like I've read many books on self-improvement, on self-development, but this one is absolutely beast. I would say like I think that like every single person should read this book. It should be on the shelves of every library, every home, because it gives you such an insight and habits on how to change your character. Like it just doesn't focus on personality, but it also focuses on the character of a person, and that's why I absolutely love this book. The next book is called Ikigai, the Japanese Secret to a Long and Happy Life, and it's written by the Hector Garcia and Frances Miralles, and I actually made a video about this book. It's just 1-minute video. I will just link in the description. You can check out that video, and it's all about finding the meaning of life and on how to live, it's kind of a guide for your life. It covers like exercise, nutrition, diet, what to eat, what to not to eat, and kind of like it's based on the interviews from the people who lived 110 and above, and they share their secrets on a long and happy life. And they say that the core of living a happy and the long life is finding your Ikigai. And the Ikigai, by Ikigai they basically mean the meaning of their life, the passion, the thing that they can do every day without getting tired. And I think that this book is another game-changing book, and it was a game changer in my life. So you should definitely check out this book. If you want me to drop a review of these books, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'm gonna make a review video of these blogs, and I hope you'll enjoy. Finally, see you in the next videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.